Okay, traders, sushi versus uni or uni versus sushi, because it looks to me like both of them are quite identical in terms of price action behavior, and you must be confused most of the times what to hold. The best answer to the entire video, just to summarize right at the beginning, would be distributed 50-50. Buy 50% uni, buy 50% sushi. Not a financial advice, just like always. All right, so that with that, let's just simply jump onto the video. Sushi uni just being almost near each other, like just there. Sushi having a logged value of 3.7 billion dollars, and uni having 4 point something billion now. Almost a million Ethereum are logged in SUSHISWAP, and well, let's see how many Ethereum are there on UNISWAP. Now you got 1.1 million Ethereum, so certainly logged value in terms of in terms of Uniswap is certainly leading, because Uniswap has a better ecosystem, has a bigger ecosystem, and has more name to it. I mean, talk about network effects, man. I mean, yep, that is what is happening with happening between Uni and Sushi. So as you can see, Uniswap right after the ICO pump as well, it never came and retested these levels, the initial offering levels. It just simply, so now this initial movements is going to be telling you the fact that what the future is going to be like. I mean, this is strength right at the beginning. Okay, so now this is what is different between Sushi. Now Sushi had a little fundamental problems. The guy, the chef Nomi, but the founder of SushiSwap, he simply ran away with 17 million worth of Ethereum and came back and said and apologized to everybody and returned everything. Man, that was mad, complete madness. And well, I think it was around this point when Sushi got picked up by Mr. SBF from FTX Exchange, the owner and the founder of FTX. He picked it up. He picked up the entire project and he started working on it. And well, I think you can see what happened next, right? So let's see if we can negate this one and this one right here. What kind of returns do we have on Uniswap? As of now, it's an 1100%, certainly crazy. Now this one is 3.3,000%, right? 3.3,000%. Now this is only because of the reason that this one was a little overreaction. Not overreaction, this was actually crazy. This was madness. Like, this was a fundamental flaw. This was a madness. This is how centralized things can affect things in this decentralized universe. So yep, Chef Naomi ran with some delicious sushis and Ethereum. This is what happens, right? This is what happens. Whereas there was nobody to run with their Ethereums on Uniswap, so nothing like that happened. Okay, all right, so let's just simply try to find out different structures as to where we can determine which one is more strengthful. I mean, both of them, like simply managing the 21, just simply holding the 21 simple moving average like a charm right here. Get this one getting bought back. Sushi right here of the 21 simple moving average around 12.5 levels, and Uni as well getting picked up around 16 well, let's just call it $17 levels. So if you talk about some risk management points, this is pretty clear on Uniswap, but this one being a little more aggressive in the short term. SushiSwap is a little more aggressive. It certainly is. It certainly is in the extreme small time frame, not the extreme small time frames, but the small time frames like the daily candle on a macro picture. Now this one being more bullish because of this buying here. I mean, on similar event, you had Uniswap breaking this low right here, and this follow through had to like almost come and test these points, whereas this follow through right here just simply wigged at the 21 simple, immediately got picked up. So as you can see, the reaction coming in from the buyers on SushiSwap in small time frames like weekly or maybe monthly. This one looks bullish. Okay, this one looks more bullish than Uniswap. This is what the charts are telling of the fact. This is what the charts are telling telling all of us right now, that you have a little steepness in the buying action happening on SushiSwap if you compare it to Uniswap. So immediate trend, this one can certainly push with a little greater magnitude to the upside, and Uni could actually, this could also go up, but not in a parabolic, not in a way in which Sushi could go to the upside, because a little more aggressive buying coming in these levels, right? Okay, so this was one of the comparative analysis as to like what can come, what could happen next. Like, this is why we are sitting around these videos, watching these charts all day long. well, just know that 90% of the job for a trader is to watch and observe things. All right, don't get me wrong, this is what you have to do as a trader. If you keep on taking actions every single hour, every single minute, you're going to be wrecked. That's all. Okay, Uni against BTC and Sushi against BTC. See which one has more strength. Again, identical, completely identical. The ICO pump being a little crazy on SUSHISWAP right here, but Uni just there. I mean, just there. But on the immediate short time frame, yeah, the aggressiveness in the USD dip buying is certainly greater in Sushi in the small time frames. As you can see, how we engulfed, how we rejected certain price action coming on 15th of February to the downside, and just simply engulfed above it. Currently simply going sideways, so not much to conclude here, but we can simply say that this one is a grind. This one is kind of this one will get accumulated against the grind, and if we break to the upside, it's going to be leading to good moves. Whereas Uniswap right here, not much of aggressive buying against Bitcoin as well, to be honest. So immediate upside continuation move. The immediate choice could be Sushi, right? So far this is what we have found out. Sushi can be immediate choice for better returns as compared to Uniswap. Now Uniswap, if Uniswap breaks this grind, things could go crazy for Uni as well. Now watch which one of them starts trending above the 21 daily simple moving average first. All right, it's going to be a competition between Uni and Sushi. It's going to be pretty interesting to look at what's going to happen. So now the last one being Uniswap against Ethereum and Sushi against Ethereum. Okay, so against Ethereum pair, yet again similar kind of price action, but this one being more aggressive. Now Sushi, okay, all three of the comparisons, the USD comparison, the BTC comparison, Ethereum comparison, all three of them suggesting that Sushi is a little more aggressive in terms of buying action, like against all three, a little more aggressive. Buyers coming in to buy Sushi rather than Uniswap. I mean, pretty interesting to see, because Uniswap certainly is a better and more intuitive platform as far as my experience goes, and I've used Uniswap couple of 100 times. I've never used Sushi, in fact, much, because I was just like horrified with something that Chef Naomi did back there, man. I mean, who the fuck runs away with 17 million worth of Ethereum, dude? You're trying to be making a DeFi project which is going to be everywhere, and then you're running with the collateral. So Sushi just didn't make much sense to me fundamentally, but for the time being, yep, the dip buying is certainly more aggressive on Sushi. Okay, so I think this is pretty much it for this video. This was a comparative analysis. This was a side-by-side perspective outlook on which is going to be picking up quicker in the short term. So it looks to me like, factually speaking, Sushi is going to pick up. Sushi is going to pick up a little faster than Uniswap. Now let's see what happens in the coming days, and for the time being, I'm there. Whatever doubts you have, just leave them down in the comments below, and I'm on I'm on some other stuff as well. Like, the first and foremost thing is going to be figuring out a Telegram and a Discord channel. This is something which I really have to be pushing further towards, and I think we can have good discussions over there, right? All right, that's been it for this video. I hope to catch you guys on the next one pretty soon. Bye for now.